The Lenovo Thinkpad X1 Tablet, $1,269 starting, $1,420 as reviewed, is a durable and secure 2-in-1 business detachable that's also powerful enough to let you dominate noobs in Overwatch on the device's vibrant, 13-inch, 3K display. However, be prepared to bring some headphones, as the speakers can't muster enough sound to fill a small personal office, and a charger, because the X1 tablet's battery life is short-lived. Despite this slate's flaws, the X1 tablet is still quite the looker and doer. This 2-in-1 features a comfortable keyboard and an impressive pair of webcams, and under its awesomely designed chassis lie some powerful specs. Specs: CPU 8th Gen Intel Core i5-8250U processor, 1.6 GHz, up to 3.4 GHz with turbo boost, 6 MB cache, operating system Windows 10 Pro RAM 8GB RAM upgradable to 16GB hard drive size 512GB hard drive type C NVMe Opal 2.0 M.2 display size 13 highest available resolution 3000x2000 native resolution 3000x2000 graphics card integrated Intel UHD graphics 620 Wi-Fi 802.11 AC Wi-Fi model Intel dual band 8265 wireless AC 2x2 Bluetooth 4.1. Design: the X1 tablet has the spirit of race car with a tough, mechanical aesthetic characterizing every inch of the chassis. The magnesium aluminum exterior has a nifty magnetic kickstand that divides half of the back and can fold up to around 160 degrees. There's a neat red and gray X1 logo on the bottom right of the back, and in the opposite corner is a black, glossy ThinkPad logo with a red accented dot that glows when the device is in sleep mode. Additionally, near the top right-hand side is a 8MP webcam.